Why, hello, it's me again. I'm back out here in the Texas Hill Country on the Twisted Sisters roads, which kind of go through all the biggest hills and stuff, as you can see. Overlooking some pretty big hills right now. Just kind of scouting again, looking for some good spots to take some more photos. So we're gonna be driving around today, looking for some more photos in the hill country. So you can see I got the tripod set up right now. Got my new lenses in. Right now I'm using my Tamron 17-28 f2.8. Also got the Tamron 28-200, which I'm hoping to use today also. Nice. So before I even got my first photo, I already noticed a couple of issues here. One, my little wind thing for my microphone flew off already. And two, my camera just fell, my GoPro. And I lost a little button for the wireless receiver for the lapel mic. And I just bought this thing, so that's cool. Let's get this shot here. All right, so just give you an idea of what we're looking at here. On the video, I'm on 1/60th of a second, but on camera, I'm at 1/50th of a second, f16, ISO 100. Just to give you an idea of what the shot's gonna look like, I'll be putting the shot up right about now. All right, now we've got a shot looking out the other way. It's gonna be the same settings, f16, 1/50th of a second, ISO 100. We're a little over 300 feet up from the bottom down there, so it's a pretty nice little overlook. But anyways, all right, here's how that shot came out right now. Yeah, so I guess this little tripod I have for the GoPro sucks. And this Neewer is not very durable as far as lapel mics go. It had really good reviews, but I don't know how many people have dropped it into a bed of rocks right here. So really wish I could find the button for the power toggle. But anyways, one last look at the location here. Y'all saw the pictures already. So, on to the next spot. Alrighty guys, found this cool little dried up creek bed with this rocky outcrop. Some nice hills there and a cliff. Gonna be pretty cool for an image. Let me try up here, see if I can get this rock here in the foreground. If I can get some solid ground anyways. Let's go f16, back to one. Histogram looks a little bright, so I'll turn it down 1/60th of a second. All right, and I'll put the shot up for y'all right now. I'm a bumbling idiot. When I dropped the GoPro, that receiver for the lapel mics, didn't lose the button. I just put on the casing on wrong, and the button was tucked behind the casing. Still lost a little windsock though, but luckily I have another one. So good news there. All right, see y'all at the next spot. Didn't put on the lapel mic this time, so I might be shouting a little bit. Kind of a lazy bones. Gonna try to get that rocky up, the rocky little peak up there. You know, it's our first time using the 28-200. It's twice today I've dropped my GoPro. That's pretty cool. Guess I'll just lift you up for the rest of this because I really don't feel like breaking my GoPro right now. Anyways, maybe I didn't want to break my GoPro, but I broke the GoPro tripod that I had or whatever. We're gonna try it POV. So we are looking at 160 to the second, f13. Got the bush in the foreground, which actually I would like it kind of blurry. So if I can go like maybe f7, and we can go 1/200 1/200th of a second. All right, here we go. See how this comes out. I'll put it up on the screen right now. So far the theme has been easy to look at and hard to photograph. One thing about Texas, you know, it's the second biggest state in the country, but it also has some of the least amount of public land. So anywhere you want to go to look at nature or try to get some photographs, you got to kind of drive there and pull over to the side of the road. So it's just been a lot of driving, a lot of admiring the view, but not being able to share it. It's just kind of hard to find anywhere where I can actually stop and take a photo, unless it's like one of these little, you know, spots off the road where I can pull over. There's really nowhere to take photos because it's just private property signs everywhere. With that said, got a nice view right there in the middle of the road. Get that centered. All right. I'll put the result of the image up. All right, off to the next one. All right, guys, I think I found my next spot. This gorgeous hill, the nice cliff, and this beautiful tree stump right here. And if I can just center it in front of the hill, I think it'll make for a pretty awesome picture. Do a double exposure on this, or do an exposure an exposure blend. F14, 50th of a second. Yeah, definitely gonna have to do a exposure blend. Damn, I can't say that word right. So I'm gonna set it up for that. All right, and I'll post that picture up here in just a second. All right, so walking back to the car. It's got so many awesome trees around here. Awesome hills. Right back that way is where I just took the photo. Definitely have to come back over here. Starting to run low on time. Got some unexpected errands to run, so gotta get home, and I'm about 2 hours out. But yeah, we'll see if we can find anything else. Alright guys, so check this out. Didn't get the GoPro out for this one because I'm right here on the edge of some ranch, and it's like some super fancy mansion ranch. So I don't know if they're gonna come out and tell me to stop taking pictures. I'm on the public road, but still. These longhorns, man. Aren't they amazing? I just got a bunch of photos of them. I'll post those here in a second. Those longhorns were awesome, man. But anyways, so looking at the time, it's about a 2-hour drive home right now. I gotta get home, have some errands to run. Ended up with a few cool shots, man, even though a lot of the day was frustrating, and I started out thinking I broke my lapel mic, but I didn't. So everything worked out. I'm just an idiot, just doing idiot things. But anyways, man, appreciate y'all coming along for the ride. You know, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like it, please. Subscribe if you want to see more content. I got more stuff coming up. So far, I'm loving the Tamron, the 17-28 f2.8. I'm loving the 28-200. Such a versatile lens. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the photos once again. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like it. Make sure to subscribe. Definitely gonna have to come back out here to the hill country. Didn't get the last little bit of the Twisted Sisters road. Anyways, y'all guys have a good one, and I hope to see y'all on the next video. Later.